who are the parents, no? Yung parents po kasi ng inyong mga estudyante, partners niyo po sila, stakeholders po din kasi sila eh. And even if sometimes it's very hard to talk to some of them, they're still our customers. Regardless if they are paying tuition fee or not, the families of our students are our customers. And that, for a teacher, we should be thinking how to serve them apart from serving our students. Ngayon, mahirap po yun, lalo na po kung mahirap ang, let's say, pag-uugali ng ibang mga magulang. Hindi po lahat ng magulang supportive. However, lahat po ng magulang ay may kwento. At sana po yung teachers ay naggumagawa ng attempt para makilala ang kanilang mga magulang. Kasi sometimes, meron silang difficult behavior na pinapakita only because of where they're coming from or what their stories are. So nakikipag parent-teacher conference po tayo to get to know the parents of our students. Kasi nga, in family life and child development, we believe that all of our students should be studied in the context of their families. Hindi po pwede na gumawa tayo ng goals for our students na hindi po natin iki-keep in mind ang kwento ng kanilang pamilya. So kunwari po, public or private ito it's universal. When you choose to be a teacher, yun po dapat ang naiisip ninyo. Hindi nyo lang po siniserbisyohan ng inyong mga estudyante. Siniserbisyohan nyo rin po ang kanilang mga magulang. Alam nyo po kung bakit? Kapag inintindi nyo po ang mga magulang, dumadali po ang trabaho natin sa ating mga estudyante. Sabihin nyo na pong 30 years na kayong nagtuturo, matagal na rin po kami nagtuturo, pero we always keep in mind that alam ko po yung nararamdaman ninyo teachers, yung naku, ito na yung difficult na parent, magtatago na kami. Pero po yung mga difficult na parents na yan, may kwento din po sila. At kung makausap natin sila ng tama, dahil may pinag-aralan tayo, ang dami nating pwedeng ituro sa kanila, mas dumadali po ang ating pagtuturo sa kanilang mga anak. So parents are also our customers. We have to be very careful also when we talk to them. Hindi po ibig sabihin na dahil libre, kunwari sa public school, we have authority over them. We are always partners with the parents of our students.